Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Bang & Olufsen BEOLIT 17 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this speaker not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, a lot of issues like this can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker. This will do that for you, and it's really easy to do. So all we need to do on this speaker is come in and find the power button and the Bluetooth button. And what you're going to do is you're just going to press and hold these two buttons together for 3 seconds. And after 3 seconds, that will trigger a full factory reset of this speaker, at which point you can go ahead and let it finish its reset process and then go ahead and set it up like you're pairing a brand new speaker.